Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy PUBG UC with an Apple gift card. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, providing you with a clear understanding of how to use your Apple gift card to purchase in-game currency for PUBG. First, you need to ensure that your Apple gift card has sufficient funds to cover the cost of the PUBG UC you want to purchase. You can check your gift card balance by visiting the Apple website or by using the Apple Store app on your device. Next, open the App Store on your Apple device and navigate to the PUBG mobile page. Tap the Get button to download and install the game if you haven't already. Once the game is installed, launch it and tap the Shop button to access the in-game store. In the store, select the UC option and choose the amount you want to purchase. The UC prices will be displayed, and you can select the package that suits your needs. Tap the Buy button to proceed with the purchase. You will then be prompted to select a payment method. Tap the Use Apple ID balance option to use your Apple gift card funds for the purchase. If you have not already, you may be asked to sign in with your Apple ID. Once you have selected the Use Apple ID balance option, the purchase amount will be deducted from your Apple gift card balance, and the corresponding UC will be added to your PUBG mobile account. You can then use the UC to purchase in-game items and accessories. It is essential to note that you must have a valid Apple ID and a sufficient Apple gift card balance to complete the purchase. Additionally, ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection to avoid any issues during the transaction. By following these steps, you can easily buy PUBG UC with your Apple gift card. Remember to always check your gift card balance before making a purchase and to use a stable internet connection to ensure a smooth transaction. With this guide, you can now enjoy your favorite game with the in-game currency you need.